Good morning, children. How are you all, Amma? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous session, we completed mathematics A regarding to the first chapter. Now I'm going to start mathematics B. Okay, let us learn about that. First one, the estimated value of the estimated value of two numbers addition. What is that? 1987 plus 1987 plus 5248 by rounding each number to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. What is that? What are those numbers? 1987, 5248 children. Please share carefully. While estimating the nearest 10, we have to choose the number which is at one's place. Yes, now it is more than 5 or less than 5? It's more than 5. So 7 is more than 5. Now next 10. So what comes after 87 here? 1990. Next, see the next one. Here, see the ones place digit in the second number, 8 it is. Yes, na? 8 is more than 5 or less than 5, then it is more than 5. So what comes next 10 after 48? 50. So 5250. If you add these two, 0, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14. Next 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7240 is the nearest 10 of those two numbers. See the next one, children. Second one is that. How many lakhs are there in? How many lakhs are there in a million? 1 million contain how many lakhs, children? In a million, how many lakhs are there in 1 million? See, 1 million by 1 lakh. So, how many lakhs are there in 1 million? How many lakhs are there in 1 million? See, 0, 0, here 0, and here 0, here 0, here 0. Again here 1 and here. So what left? 10 lakhs. In 1 million we have 10 lakhs. In 1 million we have 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs are there in 1 million. See the third one, children. See the third one, Amma. 45,789 is bigger than which of the following? Which of the following numbers? Which of the following numbers? See those numbers given. 2,45,789, 55,789, C, 46,789, D, 45,689. That means which of these is bigger than which of the following? This number is bigger than which of these numbers? This is lakhs, but it is in 10,000. It's not. Next, that means you have to choose the smaller than this number. The number which is smaller than this number. Next, 55. It is more than 645. Next, 46. It is also more than 45,000. Next, 45,689. Here the question is 789. So this one is the lesser number. That one is the lesser number. What is that number, children? 45 5,689. See the fourth one, ma'am. Which of the following is a valid Roman numeral? Which of the following is a valid Roman numeral? Valid Roman numeral. See. First one, 4 times I was given. Second one, 3 times B was given. Third one, 3 times X was given. 2 times L was given. See which one is the valid Roman numeral. Valid means which one we can take it as consideration while writing the Roman number. We should not repeat I 4 times, so it's not. B cannot be repeated, but here they repeated 3 times. It's also wrong. 3 times X. X can be repeated up to 3 times, but how many times we are given? 1, 2, 3. So it's correct. Yes, ma'am. Last, L cannot be repeated, but here they repeated 2 times. So it's also not valid Roman. So right answer is C. Right answer is C. Next, fifth one. What place is just to the right of the thousands place? Right of the thousands place. Thousands place. Children, for these questions, first we should write the place values. What are those, children? I'll write about ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, up to then enough. See that. What place is just right to the thousands place? Just right. Right means this side, right hand side. Right to thousands side. Thousands and right hand side. Which number is there? Which place value is there? Hundreds. What's the right answer then? Hundreds. Next one. Beat. What place is just to the left of the hundreds place? Hundreds place. See, what place is just left to hundreds place? This is hundreds place. Now left side of this hundreds place. What is this? Thousands. What is this? Thousands. See the third one in that. What place is third one? What place is just to the right of thousands place? Right of the 10,000s place. 10,000s place. Just right of the 10,000s place. Which one is right of 10,000s place? Right side means this side. 10,000s after what you will get? 1,000. What you will get? 1,000. 1,000. D1. What place is just left to the? What place is just to the left of the 10,000s place? 10,000s place. Observe. Left means this side of 10,000s place. This side of 10,000s place. What is 10,000 before this? This right side. It's nothing but lakhs. It's nothing but lakhs. Okay. See the next one, children. Deepu got this fifth bit completed, A, B, C, D bits completed. Now, sixth bit. Sixth question. Deepu got 84 marks and Neena got 76 marks. Deepu, how many marks she got? 84. Neena got 76 marks. Deepu 84, Neena 76. The teacher rounded off the marks to the nearest 10. Did you think it was fair for the teacher to do this? But the teacher was rounded these two to the nearest tens. Nearest 10 of 84 is 80, estimated. Rounded estimation. What is the nearest estimation of 76? Next tens, 80. So she rounded like that for both the numbers. Is it fair? No, it's not correct. We should not give the rounded number of the given number. Okay, if you got 18 marks, we can give it 20? No, it's not possible. Whatever the marks you will get, you can write. We should not round the marks for any students. Yes, na? So the step what that the teacher has to be taken in this, it was wrong. No, both rounded to 80. There were 8 marks difference in between two. Next, 12,995 was number given. They are asking one nearest 10, nearest 1000, nearest 100, nearest 1000 of that number. See. Nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 of these numbers. Okay. First one. To find out the nearest 10, we should choose the number which is at one's place. Yes, na? What is that number? 5. 5 equal to 5. Always it is rounded up. 90 of the hundreds will come. So here 12,995 na next tens. Next 12,000 after what we will get? 13,000. What we will get? 13,000. Next, nearest 100. Nearest 100 means we should choose the number which is at hundreds. Tens place. Yes, na? Tens place 9. It is more than 5. So it also rounded up. What will come after 12,000? 13,000. Next, 1000 means you have to choose the number which is at hundreds place 9. It also more than 5. So it also rounded to the next 10,000. Here next 1,000, 2,000 after 3,000 will come here. Next 10,000. What is that? 30,000. What is that? 30,000. If you round it to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000 for that number, you will get the same answer. Next one. They given the distance between the moon and the distance from earth to moon. The earth to moon. Earth to moon distance was given that 3,84,400. They are asking us to what is the nearest 1000 of that number. Nearest 1000 of that digit. 3,84,400. 3,84,400. Nearest 1000 of that number. Nearest 1000 means we should choose the number which is at hundreds place now 4. It is lesser than 5. It is lesser than 5. So before 1000 only, 84,000. So 3,84,000 nearly. The difference is the nearest 1000 of that number is 3,84,000 nearly. Next. See the next one, children. You have to go to buy materials from school. Maths book 79. They paid some amount paid for some materials. What are those? Maths book 79, geometry box 24, box of CDs 52, water bottle 58. These are the articles what we spent for materials. What is that? If you add, what you will get? 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. Write 3 here and 2 here. Next 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. So how much they spent for this materials? 2,213. 230. They are asking nearest 10. Nearest 10 for rupees 230. Nearest 10 means we should choose one's place visited. 3 is lesser than 5. Nearest 10 for 2030 means before 10. So 210. 210. Next. Prepare a headline for each information routed. Here they given some information of tourists. Some information of tourists. They visited one place. About that they given as information. 5,232 tourists visited this month. What is the nearest 1,000 of the nearest 100 of this number? Nearest 100 of this number. 5,232. So it is nearest 100 means choose 10th place visit. What is this number? 3. 3 is lesser than 5. So 5,232 is the nearest to lesser number na? Next that 100 solely. 5,200 solely it is nearer. Next one. Baby. 52,344 people visited football. What is the nearest 1,000 of this number? Nearest 1,000 of this number. What is that? 52,344. What is the nearest 1,000 of that number? Nearest 1,000 means we should choose the number which is at 100's place. That is 3. 3 is lesser than 5. So that 1,000 only. 52,344 is the nearest to that thousands only. 52,000 only. Next. C1. 456 people is affected by floods. What is the nearest 10 of this number? Nearest 10 of this number. 10 means we should choose the number which is at 1's place. 6. 6 is more than 5. So 456 next 56 next to 10 what will come? 456 is nearest to next 10 to 56 amount 460. Like that we can say the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands regarding to the numbers. Okay children, in the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.